Hey yo, you wanna buy Baryonyx? We got lots, cause this is a Biosyn Baryonyx farm. This build looks more complicated than it is. It's fairly simple to do. Just slap 3 sections of dishwasher rack together, put in some gutter guard and wooden dowels, just glued wooden dowels everywhere, and some paper straws, which are stronger than you think. Got some cool signs from my package from Jurassic Peak Custom Collections. Just put them on some sandalwood. The gutter guard goes very well with the dishwasher rack. This used to be white, and then I just painted it like a grayish color. Then I used wire to just tie in the gutter guard. Just tied it in at like 4 or 5 different places on each section. Look how cool the Baryonyx look inside their enclosure. I'm gonna get you. It can be used for carnivores or herbivores. I wouldn't put anything too serious in here. It was a fairly easy build, but I mean, it did take most of the day yesterday, and it is still a work in progress. I've still got quite a bit of work left to do. I'm gonna put a like a better kind of walkway thing going in the whole way around, and then I'm gonna put like a an entrance gate on this side. But I thought it was pretty cool. I mean, you never know. They keep your eyes open, right? You never know what you can turn into something cool. When I look at junk and stuff, I always try to think of what else it actually is instead of its original intended purpose. Oh, you want to become the garbage whisperer? This is what you do. Garbage whisperer. You look at the garbage and you say, oh, that's not what it was. What could it be? You can have your very own garbage whisperer.